So today we're looking at one of our older projects that we're doing some construction drawings on, and you can kind of see how on this project, these are actually demo or existing elevations. You can see how we've dashed some stuff to be removed, but overall it's not that intense in terms of graphics. It's I guess it is legible, but it's not necessarily that great. So let's flip over here to this other project. You can see in this other project we've actually colored everything in orange that's being demolished, and it really just makes the project a bit more vibrant, and actually you can actually see what is going on a little bit clearer. I'm just going to flip over to elevations. So in the elevations we've kind of added this crosshatch, and this over here as well. You can see this crosshatch here. You can kind of see what elements are being removed in a little bit better detail, and just with those few color elements. So let's go up here. We're going to go to the Manage tab at the top here, and we're going to go to Phases, and we're just going to go over here. And if you can kind of see down here, I actually have two versions of Revit open. I have, or not two versions, but two instances of Revit open, just so I can copy these standards. And over here, this is the first part, the phase filters. So I'm just going to slide this onto my other screen, and we're going to take a look at these elements as we're talking about it. So we're going to go into this project. We're going to go to phases as well, and we want to just copy these settings over. So we got show complete, demo new, previous demo. So all that stuff is fine. Previous phase. We have all by category not displayed, by category not displayed. Over here we have by category, not displayed, and then overwritten, and then so not displayed, overwritten, not displayed, overwritten. So it looks like all this matches here. So let's go to our graphic overrides, and I'm just going to bring over this now. So you can see on our graphic overrides, we've kind of beefed up the demo dash as well as the hatch pattern, and then same with the cut. So I'm just going to again move this over to my other screen, and let's take a look at copying these settings. So right here, I believe this should be a 3 or 4, so let's take a look at that. That's actually a 5, okay. So let's go back here. Let's go to 5. And then we have this as a crosshatch. So let's find our crosshatch here. Something like that. And we got to get our color here, our orange color. So let's just see what our orange color is. We've got, right here, we've got 255, 200, 150. And we'll click OK. And then we'll do the same over here. This will be that same 5. And then we'll change this from hidden to be our solid fill. And we'll do that 255, 200, 150. And then any background hatch, we're going to make solid white. And the reason why we want to kind of eliminate any of extra hatches that are going on there. And I think that looks like we've got most of the stuff there. Let's just verify. Yeah, I think we've got mostly everything there. Yeah. So that should be good. Oh, looks like here we take this existing, let's pull that up, and existing we're going to do black, and then we'll change this to be a 220 gray, okay, and I think that should be everything. Yeah, that should be everything. So let's click OK here. And now you can see we have some hatch here. And just kind of helps. There isn't a lot of walls being demolished. Over here, there actually, there is some stuff going on. So we're demolishing a wall for a door. So you can see that. Yeah, up here, there's some more demo for a wall. We've got these stairs being removed. And let's just jump to our plans. And so now our plans, you can more clearly articulate what's going on in those as well. So just kind of helps make things a little bit more clear graphically. So those are kind of how we change up our phasing settings again, so that's a little bit easier to understand.